For the most part, youngsters scorn their folks who appear to overlook their children's sentiments and wishes. At the point when you don't track down a sufficient measure of fondness through material bliss, you by and large appear to conflict with your own caring guardians. The lone issue with them that we don't appear to comprehend is the manner by which they come to keep the family unblemished and run without grumbling much about good and bad times in their own life. Particularly, it's troublesome when you need to support life alone without your co-mate to look and take after your youngsters. It turns out to be excessively troublesome and testing to make your youngsters express the affection and care you would have given on the off chance that you had everything well done throughout everyday life. Halitha Samin composed and coordinated Malayalam drama show LA depicts an apparently disturbed connection among father and child Muthukathi and Parthi. Parthi, who accepts his dad has consistently misled him from getting great freedoms, attempts to embarrass his dad after the information in his dad's passing. Conflicting with his dad and working around Parthi, accommodates more with the past and love to his dad mentally. Parthi comes to understand the adoration and dedication of his dad after he comes to realize that he feels awful on the off chance that anybody expresses gravely about his dad after his passing. At the point when Parthi understands that he unknowingly never despised his dad, rather he misses his dad and attempts to gather each having a place of his dad in great condition. He even goes to conflict with the gathering attendee and Madhumati's eventual man of the hour who takes his dad's frozen ice cream cooling container. Parthi, through the memory of his dearest and himself cheering in the sentimental past, comes to understand his dad's acceptable perspective on others. He at that point conveys good emotions toward his expired dad. However, the difficulty begins when the dad's dead body vanishes and Parthi gets paid to attempt to finish the memorial service parade quickly and preventing his better half waiting from another. His better half, who accepted that it's Parthi who duped her by getting down to business, feels more disheartened when she comes to realize that he was never off base about her. Parthi then again accepts that Madhumati never attempted to figure out the misconception between them, rather, she just followed her dad's legitimate counsel. Parthi, understanding his undying love towards her, spreads out his dad's set of experiences, and the story shows us how his dad disguised the truth for him according to the arrangement made among child and father for not uncovering each other's mystery. His dad also laments later on not having the option to recommend his would-be daughter-in-law how he was overdrunk that day and couldn't come clean with her. The shortfall of appropriate correspondence prompts the direct separation in the non-romantic love that even makes numerous nostalgic about her own young pounds. The adoration mixes together the various shades of class and standing class in an exceptionally smooth manner. The genuine love of Madhu towards Parthi as a trying view leaves her no place except to lament and run off with him towards the end. The trouble of keeping your affection unblemished, particularly in the event that you are from the low class, also gets obvious when the web-based media posts of Madhu gets more examined than her real relationship. Madhu, an energetic artist and web-based media user, appears to pass Parthi's economic well-being on failing to remember his non-attendance over that web-based media. Parthi's dad hilariously shows how cash is forever his main goal, notwithstanding the caring side of mindful and sustaining gets surfaced when Muthukathi understands that his child shows no actual regret and drops no tears on his passing. On understanding that he was not an ideal overseer to his youngsters, he gets disheartened by his ill-conceived siblings' misdirection and his child's swiftness to incinerate him. The story shows the implied love between father and child and two youthful hearts who, being a long way from one another, couldn't assist them without the surging battle for their association. His dad's fondness gets surfaced when Parthi perceives how affectionately his dad helped the sea god in conveying the child. Parthi comes to interface his dad's actual passionate side of care on such basic conditions when he experiences his own partition from Madhu. The story not just uncovers a dad's delicate side and difficulties to grow up his children when he supports on very nuts and bolts by selling ice cream on a bicycle. The difficulties of not having the option to satisfy his child's desires and wants made his own children structure in ill-conceived notions about him. However, the genuine causes consistently fulfill one on a basic level. Muthukati never appears to be shy in acknowledging his inaptitude to hold the affection for his child in his adolescent. The craftiness of his dad ends up being an astonishing element after Parthi understands that it's not his dad, rather the twofold of his dad's ill-conceiving sibling who died. How genuine romance can be depicted implicitly and how the low-class family experiences enthusiastic closeness uncovers a portion of the current realities of our general public. To cultivate the affection and care of the dad, the inconveniences and suffering stay inferred, as the manliness rather disguises the cultural endurings attempts to arise successful over each challenge. The solid side of a caring dad builds up the benevolent side of manliness that brings the male's solid hearts in any event during the harshest emergency too. As the story interfaces the two enduring spirits, wonderful Madhu falls in her unequivocal character toward the end. At last, we come to cherish her more when she shows her consideration for Parthi's dad and him to suggest the essential method of sharing our sentiments in rustic, credible town life. The statement of honest love communicated essentially through the resentment of not being talked and asked sorry for shows how love feels in the knolls of the far town disconnected from the materialistic terms. So this is supportive of today's trust. You have appreciated the video. In the event that you prefer the video, if it's not too much trouble, share and subscribe to the channel. What's more, remember to remark your inputs in the comment section. Thank you.